Python flow control. In this video here, I will explain and show you the Python flow control codes. Here is subtopic of flow control. Number 1. If statements. Number 2. If, else, or, elif statements. Number 3. For loop. Number 4. While loop, and finally, number 5. Break and continue. Number 1. If statements. In Python, we use the if statement to execute certain block of code only if a certain condition is satisfied. In logical flow, after start it will go to expression, if condition is true, next is to run the statement. Else, if it is false, the flow will go to the stop. Here is the example running if statement in Python. If input number is more than 100, it will print that statement. Number 2. If, else or, elif statements. In Python, we use the elif statement to execute try out several conditions and execute only if a condition is satisfied. The picture shows about elif logical condition statement, and this is the example of elif code running. If input is greater than 100, it will print the number as greater than 100. If input in between 150, it will print the number as between 150. If input in between 50 and 25, it will print the number as between 50 and 25, else, it will print the number as too small. For loop statement. In Python, we use the for loop to iterate over a sequence, either a list, tuple, string or other iterable objects. This process is referred to as traversal. As an example here, from the result, it print all the numbers from the number list. 4. While loop. In Python, the while loop is used to iterate over a block of code as long as the condition is true. Let's see the coding example for while loop statement. Here is the example while loop code is using in Python. The result shows that, it print when I is still less or equal to n. The result shows that, it print, number 5, to number, 15. 5. Break and continue. The break statement in Python terminates the current loop and resumes execution at the next statement. Next, see the example of break and continue coding in Python. This is the example for break and continue. If the letter is equal to s, it will break or stop the execution. The result shows that, it only print the data. This is a continue logical flow. If condition is true, it will run the conditional code, else it will just continue and skip the condition if it is false. And this is the example for continue coding in Python. It shows that if 1 equal to 5, it just continue and not print number 5. It print all the number except number 5.